Hey amazing artist, I've got something super exciting for you today. I'm unboxing and reviewing 4 unique art products from Ohuhu. So sit back and let's dive into some colorful magic. So the first product is the micro pen fineliner with 8 different tip sizes for clean and precise inking. And we have the acrylic paint markers Nahuku set with 24 vibrant colors and a brush tip for smooth and bold painting. Also, we have the cute pouch of dual tip dot and brush markers that are perfect for journaling and calligraphy. And finally, the metallic brush and fine markers, a glittery set of 24 colors that shine beautifully, especially on dark paper. Each product brings something fun and versatile to your art toolkit, and I can't wait to show you how they perform. Let's kick things off with Ohuhu Acrylic Paint Markers, Nahuku Edition. These are seriously satisfying to use, vibrant, creamy, and has full coverage. The brush tip is so responsive, it actually feels like painting with a traditional brush, but way less messy. They work on almost anything: rocks, wood, canvas, and glass. These are awesome for DIY projects, customizing gifts, or making bold, colorful pieces. And they are light fast and waterproof, so your art stays bright for ages. Next up, we have the Ohuhu Micro Pen Fineliners. This sleek set includes 8 pens with different nib sizes, from super crisp lines from the tiniest detail to bold outlines. And guess what? There's a brush pen in the mix too. It's perfect for adding flair with the calligraphy or dynamic strokes. The waterproof and smudge-resistant ink means you can use them with watercolor without any worries. Seriously. If clean, professional-looking lines are your thing, you're gonna love these. Now, this one is super unique. Ohuhu Dual Tip Dot and Brush Markers. One end is a soft brush for calligraphy, handwriting, or flowing strokes. The other is a circular dot tip, which creates perfect dots in different sizes just by adjusting pressure. It's honestly addictive and perfect for journaling, creating decorative patterns, or planner spreads. Do you like metallic shades? It's included in this set, and it all comes in this neatly cute portable pouch, which makes it travel friendly and super organized. And now, the Sparkle Showstopper, Ohuhu metallic markers with both brush and fine tips. These are made for shimmer lovers. The ink lays down smoothly and looks incredible on dark paper, especially black. It's like glowing neon in a galaxy. Whether you're doing scrapbooking, greeting cards, or DIY crafts, these markers gives your work a magical metallic touch. I especially love the brush tip for expressive strokes and the fine tip for details or small lettering. Here's something interesting I discovered while testing. Few colors actually show stronger pigment intensity with the fine tip compared to the brush tip. You can see it in this example. The fine tip delivers bold, rich metallic color, while the brush tip comes out a bit lighter. It's a unique trait that's good to know when layering or planning details. Thank you for joining me in this colorful journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment letting me know which product you would like to try. Until next time, stay inspired, stay creative, and keep coloring outside the lines.